Thursday, November the 10th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East along with you. Pretty chilly conditions this morning out there. There's a live look from our Greensboro Tower camera, clear and quiet. Let's go up to the mountains. Take a look at the Beach Mountain Parkway cam, courtesy of our friends there at resortcams.com. Temperature there now sub-freezing at Beach 31. The temperature there. And finally, let's take a look at the Dowd YMCA camera. Uptown Charlotte this morning looking nice. This is during the 4 o'clock hour, about 4:45. And the temperature at that point in time was 41. It's been in the upper 30s at times around the Charlotte region, kind of bouncing around between the 30s and the 40s across a lot of the Piedmont this morning. 60s for a lot of our highs yesterday. Cooler in Boone, warmer down in Columbia, but it was 60s across the Triad viewing area, except for back into the foothills, upper 50s in North Wilkesboro. Similar temperatures, although a few ticks warmer in the Charlotte viewing area yesterday afternoon. We had a little bit of rain move through the northern Piedmont to begin our Wednesday. A little bit being the operative description there. Look at the rain total at the PTI airport, 1/100th of an inch. Certainly nothing to write home about. Radar quiet across the Carolinas this morning. A few showers offshore. That's about it. Now we take a look at the eastern part of the country as a whole. Boy, it's very, very quiet this morning. You have to go all the way back to western Texas to find some areas of rain here on this Thursday morning, and that's not good news. The southeast, again, as a whole, really needs some rain. Big drought problems continuing. In fact, the new drought monitor gets released this morning. We'll see what updates occur here, but coastal parts of the Carolinas is the exception, but much of the southeast in desperate need of some rain. Again, the drought really bad over the deep south of the Tennessee Valley. Birmingham, Alabama has now had 52 consecutive days without measurable rain. The western Carolinas getting drier and drier as well. More wildfire issues cropping up. And just as an example, Charlotte has not had measurable rain since October 8th. It has been a while. And certainly nothing in the offing in the short term either. There's your temperatures this morning, a bit on the chilly side here as we begin this Thursday. A lot of the eastern part of the country quite chilly here as this Thursday morning is beginning. High pressure, the main weather player for today. Winds not as gusty as what we had yesterday afternoon. Not a bad day at all. There's our Thursday high temperatures looking pretty good today. Tomorrow, not bad at all either. Just ahead of this incoming front, due to the timing of the front, I think we squeeze in a little bit of a milder day for Friday before the chilly air behind that front takes hold. And so it looks like a lot of chilly air for the weekend. Saturday's high temperatures, look at that, in spite of sunshine, in the 50s across much of North Carolina. And then low temperatures on Sunday morning, sub-freezing. I still think a good potential for a widespread light freeze Sunday morning. Sunday afternoon's high temperatures then look like that. Tropics, it is quiet. No sign of any trouble anywhere across the Atlantic Basin. So here's what's happening with the upper level chart. Kind of an interesting deal for Monday, which I'll show you. First of all, there's today, big trough offshore. And here comes the next piece of energy. This is the European model, and watch this. It cuts off the tail end of this trough over Kentucky and Tennessee and kind of meanders it over our region then Sunday night and Monday. Has some decent ensemble support there amongst its ensemble members as well. And the result there on the European model is this scenario. You get a little bit of rain. This is Sunday evening, Sunday night, and then through Monday morning. You get a little rain with that feature. And the Canadian model actually is pretty similar. This is Monday morning, low pressure near the coast, a little bit of wintry precip actually in the mountains, if you take that model verbatim. And then as you get out and into Monday evening, there goes the precip. I have not completely bitten on this scenario just yet. I do think there's a possibility of a few showers, maybe Sunday night rather, into Monday morning. But due to the dry conditions we've had for such a long time, I'm not really biting on that scenario just yet. Neither is the GFS. This is Thursday. This is today. This is Friday. Saturday, there's your next big chilly area of high pressure moving on in. Saturday, high temperatures on the raw numbers for the GFS look like that. These are always a few ticks too cool, but you get the idea. And then there's the low temperatures for Sunday morning off the GFS. All right, so we go out to Sunday afternoon, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Notice no rain on the GFS. So again, maybe a couple showers Sunday night into Monday morning, but at this point, doesn't look like anything huge, but we'll see. We'll keep a watch on it. Maybe we get some rain out of that system before Monday rolls around. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.